This is Marcos from Discount Pool and Spa. I just wanted to show you what a electric heater looks like. If you're not familiar with them, this is a small pool electric heater. Small pool electric heater. Looks like that, right? Pretty snazzy. It's got the wiring diagram right there. Okay. Now this comes in 3 sizes. At least at this point, we've got, if you can, there's a heating element number 1, heating element number 2, and then if you were to buy the bigger one, they would put a 3rd heating element. There's your hookups. Your sensors are right here, and then this is controlled by, it's got a push button control right here. Let's see if I can get it in there. You're not going to see any lights or anything, but it's got a nice look to it. Okay. Of course, here's all your sensors. You got temperature out, temperature in, flow sensor. Temperature in's up here. I'm sorry, where did it go? Oh, right there. Right there. But if you were to have an 11, size 11 kilowatt, it would only have 2 wires. 18 has a second set of wires, and then if they added that 3rd chamber, a 3rd element, you would have another set of wires right here. The thing is that for every heating element, you have to have a 50 amp breaker. So think about it. If you have the 27, you're going to have 3 50 amp breakers and a breaker box and supply that you require 150 amps. Now, I don't think an AC quite hits 100. I don't think. I'm not sure about that, but anyway, just to you have to have like number 88 wire or something. Not 88, size 8 gauge wire. So this is, it's pretty thick. So it's just, the heater costs money, but so does the run of the wire that you got to bring up in here, because we've got to run 4 number 8, 5, 6, right? They all got to have their ground. 6 number 8 wires, and it's a 125-foot run. So that might be a harder and easy pull. But anyway, the thing is this is what the inside looks like. It's pretty simple setup. These are high limit switches, so they're manual resets. There's also high limit sensors here, so that's how this cuts it out. Actually, it's kind of neat looking. A little strange, but I live in an area where they don't have gas to all the houses. Some of them have propane, and some of them are electric only. So this is the best option for the price at the time that we made the decision. Hope this helps. Take it easy.